Greetings guys, so quickly before you learn anything about entries, indicators or any complex strategy out there, the one thing that every trader must master and understand is what the market structure. This is the foundation of it all. The foundation of it all is market structure. So in today's class, I will be giving out the step-by-step breakdown so you can now finally stop guessing and start trading with purpose. Okay? So, firstly, what is market structure? Market structure is the natural flow of price on the chart. It shows it shows how price move, creating swing highs and swing lows, giving us a map of where the market is likely to go next. You understand? So, in simple terms, price moving waves, moving up and down and up, leaving behind clues to know where the market is coming from and where it's likely to go. That's it. So this is likely what you'll be seeing on the chart. Maybe price displaying some kind of things like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, or like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, or like this. You understand? So this is it for market structure. And in understanding market structure, we have three phases. Of which we have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging. The uptrend consists of higher highs and higher lows. The downtrend consists of lower highs and lower lows, while the ranging market is a pattern in which market is moving sideways, making equal highs and equal lows. Okay, so we said we have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging structure. These are the three phases of structure we have. And for the uptrend is a scenario whereby you have price making series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So in labeling this here is higher high, this here is higher low, this here is higher highs, continuously this here is higher low. Okay, so for downtrend is a scenario whereby we have market moving like this: lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, and then lower lows, labeling it as lower highs and then lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then what your lower highs continuously. And then for the ranging market is a scenario. For the ranging market, this one is a scenario whereby market is just moving sideways, making series of higher highs, just making equal highs and equal lows, equal highs and equal lows. So this is it for ranging market. So for this is an uptrend like this, and then this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend like this, and then this is our ranging these are arranging market like this. So in understanding market structure, you need to know what is market structure shift. Market structure shift. Market structure shift, this happens when price break the low, signaling a possible reversal. The last higher high, the last higher low gets breaking. The market is telling you it might likely want to go lower. In a scenario whereby, let me first write that down. Market structure shift. Market structure shift. So I said market structure shift. So you said market structure shift happens when price break the recent low created, signaling a possible reversal. For example, in an uptrend, once the last higher low gets breaking, and the market is telling you it wants to go lower. So here is higher low. Here is higher low. Here is higher low. So this is the example of it when the market is in an uptrend like this, making series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then this recent higher low gets breaking like this. When the market breaks this recent higher low, it now confirms us this guy as what? As our MSS, the market structure shift. This now automatically becomes the market structure shift we are looking out for. And one thing you need to know about these shifts, they are very powerful. They help you to know to catch a trend change early, or confirm your continuation entries. You get the point. So same with downtrend. In the downtrend, breaking the last lower highs, telling you that the market wants to go higher. Let me give you an example. When the market is going down like this, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Now instead of market to make another lower low, lower high like this, it now break the recent lower high, making that zone that a shift of structure, which is our MSS. This zone like this, these are what? This is the MSS. So now the question is, how do you read market structure? How do you read market structure on the chart? Firstly, start from your higher time frames, maybe either your daily time frame, your 4-hour time frame, to spot the big trends, the big swing highs and big swing lows. You understand? Then next, drop down to your lower time frame like the 15 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, the first time frame you need to enter is your bigger time frames, the high time frames, which might be the daily time frames, daily or 4H. Then you switch down to 15 minutes or 1H. Then after doing this, what are the things you look out for? Firstly, you first look out for your sweeps, which are the liquidity grab. Things to look out for. Look for you're looking for these sweeps, and then 2, your break of structure, and 3, your market structure shift, MSS, and then this one BOS, like this. So in this point, this is your sweep. Let me give you an example of that. You need to see market doing something like this, sweep this point, and then turn back to break this structure up here, give you this point as a break of structure, coming down to give you market structure shift here. Do you understand any point here? So market sweep here, break structure up here, then shift structure moving from up to the downside. You understand? So this is it for the market structure part. So the common mistakes some traders make are like this is what they do by getting it wrong. They are trading against the structure of the market. They are trading against the structure of the market out of fear of missing out. They are afraid of missing a move, stuff like that. Entering too early without confirmation, ignoring the higher time frames. These are things you need to consider in looking out for structure before entry. You need to know that the market is just telling you story. You just have to slow down and listen. So how structure gives you an edge, and each market structure gives you clarity. It tells you where you are in the trend and helps you build a trading plan. You understand? So it is the difference between guessing and executing with confidence. You will know where to place your stop loss, set your targets, and how to avoid traps after you understand market structure very well. So now let's break it down on a real chart and apply everything we just learned. So firstly, we are looking for the structure first to know whether it is an uptrend or downtrend, ranging structure, you understand, to actually analyze and know what market structure is saying on this chart. This is Euro USD. Now I'm on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what can you see here? It clearly shows that this market is in a downtrend structure. You can clearly see that this is a downtrend market. This is a downtrend. So here we know that the market is going down. This is a swing high, swing low, swing higher lower high, swing lower low, swing higher low, higher high, swing higher low continuously. So this is it for the structure phase, of which we have concluded that this market is going on a downtrend move. So then next we are looking for a liquidity sweep. Then look out for MSS. Then we will now find our entry and exit. So we are not looking for that on this time frame. We are going lower to look for that. We use the higher time frame just to know where the market is going and where it is coming from, so that we are not going to trade blindly. You understand the point? So we are going down to the lower time frames now. So here, since we already know that this market is in a downtrend, here we can clearly spot out a sweep. Here is our sweep like this. This is where the market sweep and grab liquidity here. So we are looking for our MSS for our break of structure and MSS. Market sweep this, giving this break to the upside, and then it come back down, and then shifted structure from going up to moving what down. So giving this guy here an MSS. You understand? This is now our what? This is now our MSS. So getting these our MSS, we will now find an entry point of which after MSS you now confirm that this market is going down. So you look for a trading range, trading zone for this MSS. Now to get the trading zone for this MSS, you need some kind of liquidity to confirm that this zone is cool for your entry. So you find out that you have, let's see how it goes. Let me play a little bit. So market give sorry guys, market give this, can use this as form of liquidity. So our entry will be around this guy here. Entry will be here around here, like this, targeting the low here, something like this. You understand? So market didn't tap, but it come close, because what I was targeting as my point of interest was actually this guy here, like this. But the market left, because I am using this as my what, as my liquidity. I'm using this as my liquidity. So the market came and then reacted on the liquidity zone. It didn't come to my point of interest. Same, you can see there's a lot of examples on the chart. I would not like to get deeper into that maybe on our next video, but I'm trying to let you understand that in is a scenario whereby market will give you this guy like this, sweep this high, that's your liquidity grab, coming down to break structure to the downside, confirming that's your MSS, then you get some liquidity for it, then you pick your what, your trading, your point of interest. You understand? Based on your strategy, you trade your strategy, but your this main structure here is that confirming where the market is going, as it shift structure or is still moving in the same continuation trend. If yes, then you will know where to go short or you're going long. So let me give an immediate example here. You can clearly see that market sweep liquidity here, market sweep or grab liquidity from this guy, coming back down, to shift structure from this low. You understand? Market come back down. This is the sweep. Market shift structure from this. These are MSS. So now we are expecting market to come back up here. This up here is our trading range. So for me, I'll be able to pick this as my what, as my trading zone. I will be expecting market, when market come here, I will now find my opportunity, the opportunity to get into the market as of this point. So maybe I'll put my entry to like this, my stop loss above it like this, then I'll be targeting the next low, something like this. So let's see how this one goes. So you can see how this one picked up, and then it gives out a nice risk to reward. So this is it for how market structure works. You understand the point clearly now. So market structure is the foundation of it all. You just need to master this. Every other tools becomes easier when you master market structure shift very well. Market structure shift, market break of structures, your liquidities, your sweeps. You understand? If you master these things, all the indicators you want to use, all the tools you want to use, all the strategies out there, all of the things you're getting to know newly, if you understand the structure, if you apply them, it will work for you perfectly because you already know what the structure is saying. So you will know when to apply it and when not to apply it. You understand? So if you want to take your trading seriously, study structure, journal it and use it to build your own edge in this space. I don't know, but if this video brought any value, just give it a like, comment structure master if you committed to leveling up your trading, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just raw content, no fluff. Content is coming your way. This channel, just share it with traders like you. Understand? So on the next video, I'll be giving like outlines on your liquidity, the break of structure, some parts like this, and the rest. We are going to cover a lot. It's just make sure you share this video, share this, subscribe, turn on the notification bell in case I'll be dropping. You might likely join the WhatsApp community because anytime I drop video, I'll be posting the video link there. Immediately I post it, then you can now come and get what you need to get from the video. Thank you guys. Bye.